क्वेश्चन हम लोग करते हैं. सपोज this is VS graph. V and S. ठीक है, VS graph. This is 10 meter per second and this is 4 meters. This is given. We have to draw corresponding AS graph. Draw AS graph for the same. No, एक मिनट, AS नहीं, AV ग्राफ, AV ग्राफ ये ड्रॉ कीजिए. AV ग्राफ divided with VS graph and we have to draw AV graph. So how to do this kind of questions? So first we will write the equation of the graph. So for writing equation of the graph, we have this thing we are knowing, y equal to mx plus c we are knowing. So what we will do is first we will find the slope. The slope is how much? Slope is, there is a change of 10 to 0. So final is 0, initial is 10. In how much distance? 4 meter. So minus 10 by 4, that is the slope. And v we will write as v minus 10 by 4, and at place of x we have s plus coefficient on y-axis, so that is 10. So this equation we can write for the line given. Okay, now next task is finding AV graph. So if you differentiate with respect to time, so dv by dt, that is A, so that will be minus 10 by 4 ds by dt, and this term will be 0. So we can write it as A equal to minus 10 by 4 into V. So AV graph will be decided by this thing. So how will the AV graph look like? So AV graph will look like this. A is here and V is here. Since we have negative slope here, this is minus 10 by 4. So the graph will look like somewhat this. Negative slope. So it will be like this, and we can have, suppose we can take the values also. The value was how much? 4 meter. Value was, velocity was what? 10 and 0. So 0 to 10. If we consider this 10, at 10, if the velocity is 10, we will have acceleration will be minus 25. It will be minus 25. From this graph, if you put velocity value v equal to 10, then acceleration will be what? 10 into 10 by 4, so minus 25. So you can make the graph like this.